Back at the world famous Foot Locker outlet. Recently made its appearance on World Star.
Get you a good that's gonna bring you some chili cheese fries. Get you a fat pastrami sandwich. Got some pretty ass feet. Is gonna watch the game with you and represents Fernando Valenzuela. Rest in peace. And chill with you outside your work. It's just the necessities of life.
I was like, I recognize that place. All right, we do got to check out East LA real quick. All right, so I wasn't able to take any video, guys. My bad, but yeah, I did want to show you guys a few things that they did have. It was 40% off the back wall. The clearance shoes were 40% off, so that's definitely worth searching through, and hopefully you guys can find something. They did have black cements. They weren't giving any discounts on them, but they did have the black cements. It looks like they got a full stock for the release. They did have Air More Up Tempo slides, pretty dope. They had some pretty decent sizes. They were going for $60. $60. They were giving another 40% off after that. In the apparel section, the only thing that really stuck out for me were the Jordan Poofy jackets. They had a black one. They also had the powder blue ones, or the university blue. They had a couple of those, couple different sizes. And the price was just pretty dope because it was $85. $85. They were a refurb, but $85. And then you get another 40% off on top of that. So yeah, I think they were under 50 bucks, which is pretty freaking insane. All right, so wasn't able to show you guys that much because the douchebag worker that follows me around, he was there. So did grab a few things, 40% off the back wall, pretty freaking dope. And then yeah, additional discounts on all kinds of other stuff, pretty dope. All right, now we're gonna check out the Foot Locker outlet. All right, so this is what I grabbed, you guys. Did have these for, what was it, 40% off. So grab these for what, was it $36 or something like that? 36 bucks. I saw these, I think the lowest I saw them was what, 60 or something? I think it was at 60 at Chic, and I was like, I'm gonna try to be patient. And if you guys watch my channel, I did grab one of these for myself. My kiddo, he wore it one time and he didn't like it. And then we went into the cold weather and he was like, hey, your jacket's better. I was like, yeah, no kidding. So I did grab one of these. It was $99.97. It was another 40% off. This was the only one that they had. They just had one small. They had a couple baby blue ones that I showed you guys earlier. They were mediums and stuff. They didn't really fit. Did use a $50 gift card. But yeah, $36 and then $60 for the jacket, so not bad. I did screw up, you guys. I did screw up, and while I was doing the pin number right here, I did accidentally scratch that off. So, damn, dude, I'm gonna have to call and get that figured out, damn it. All right, I did throw all the stuff in my car. All right, we're gonna start off with the men's section, see what's up over here. Did these go down in price? I don't remember. Okay, first of all, they're not Foot Locker exclusive, but I don't think these weren't $90 before, were they? And now they're going to $90. I say they're going to $9. They're going for $90. I am still looking for some Under Armour. $55 for these bad boys. This is pretty clean. I did buy some stuff at the Nike though, so I don't know if that's gonna work right now. Bought a bunch of stuff at the mall yesterday. I wonder if this is 50% off. There's no way that's 50% off, right? $37.50 would be crazy. $75 still a solid price for those. And those of you guys that are new to the channel, everything here 50% off. Very few exclusions. These are down to $30. These used to be a Kobe PE. You know, the Iversons right here, Lakers colorway. Man, that is fire. $30 freaking. Those Iversons going for $35. No, those are $40, my bad. $40 for these questions right here too. $25 for these pumps right here. These are the Shaq Attacks. Shaq Victory. These are going for $25 for these. Holy cow. That's definitely a solid price. Wow. One of the few exceptions right here. These are not 50% off. One of the few exceptions, dude, but almost everything else is. Including Mellows down to $30. Need some budget basketball shoes right here. These are the Trey Unlimiteds going for $30. Trey signing for Jordan Brand, kind of crazy. $30 for the Tentacumpos right here, the Immortalities. What about this right here? The Bryce Harper's, the glitter, a little too much for me though. $27.50. All right, let's move over to the women's section since I have been trying to find stuff for my workers. Don't see anything crazy in the women's. Like these going for $40. That's pretty insane. Air Maxes, Air Max 1's going for $40. NMD's going for $40 as well. This is S1 right here. More Air Max 1's right here. Got Air Max 90s, the double bubble ones. These are down to $50 a piece. Yeah, there you go. I believe these Jordan 2s are getting that extra $50 off. So $50 for Jordan 2s. We've seen that. Some of the bigger sizes at the Nike outlets. Another one of these Air Max 1s right here going for $45. They do got all these on sale right here. 50% off of pretty much all these. I don't think the Dunks. The Dunks, it kind of depends. They said that it depends. Like they'll go to the counter. When they ring it up, that's when they find out because they don't really set the prices and stuff. Someone else does that. But yeah, that's decent material too. Oh, the toe box leather's pretty whatever, but that suede's pretty nice. The women's section do got plenty of these bad boys right here. Do got all kinds of Chucks, $25. Do got some clean Reebok classic leathers. Classic leathers go for $25. Club C's right here, $25. Party B's right here, $25. All kinds of Reeboks go for hella cheap. I did get one of these for my workers, $25. So freaking cheap. I think I paid $30. So did those go down even more? God dang it. Got suedes right here, go for $25 as well. Stan Smiths right here. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen the Stan Smith. $25. Holy cow. Back in the men's sizes, we've been seeing these at Champs for $50, or we saw them in the last visit, $50. Pretty much the same price here. Been asking a million questions. Okay, apparently these are 50% off. These Jordan 1 lows right here, so $115. So what is that? $57.50. These just came off the exclusion list. $40 for Dunks. 40 effing dollars. Holy cow. That's just hella cheap. Where this place really shines if you need performance type of sneakers. Look at this, $40 for Luka 3s right here. Got them in multiple colorways. These are Team Bank colorways too. If your kid plays on a team or something. I'd say the Zoom Freaks, but they've been on sale even at the retail shops. The Jaws right here, $50. Haven't seen that cheaper at too many spots. Multiple colorways going for $50. Wait, I don't think I showed you guys all the Mellows, right? You got these for $50 as well. The digital camo, $30. I think I showed this earlier, right? $30? Are you serious? That's crazy. I don't know if these are 50% off, but we've been seeing them cheap anyways at most of the other regular stores. Even at the Nike outlets, they had them, right? Across the street. These are definitely 50% off. Really good deal. I'm not a fan of the material, though. I don't know why I like tumbled leather so much, but not tumbled. There's regular leather on these. These are $170, $50 off. You got the GT Academies right here, GT Cut Academies. These are 50 off of 95. Zoom Freaks right there, got Comforts. All these are 50% off 130. Those LeBrons go for 100. We've seen those cheaper though. And then I believe both of these are 50% off, which isn't bad. 180, so $90 for this one. This one's an SE, so 135. So is that $67.50? They're getting fancy over here. Look, they got a USA basketball setup. I haven't seen them do this before. They got USA t-shirts. They got LeBron right there. I think this is just a USA basketball, yeah, as well as this one. And these bad boys go for $35, so $17.50, right? $17.50 for all those. Then they do got these, the next gens right here. These are $170, so what is that? $85. All right, let's move on to the 75% off section right here. So you get a 50% off, an additional 50% off. And I did go through the stuff right here. Look, Nike fleece shorts right here. This is the, what is it? The recycled line right here. $60, so is that $15? They only have a couple of smalls, right? If I remember, there's a couple of smalls. What size is this one? Is this a small as well? Oh, a medium. Is that worth getting? Is that worth getting? Some of my shorts I can wear, some of them I can't, because almost every short that I do have is a large, and the waist is a little big. Waist was a little big, so they do got these as well. I think this one's just a small and a large. So yeah, these go down to $15, $15. University Blue, I do have a love-hate relationship with the University Blue because I love the way it looks, but all the University Blue slightly different. So it's like really hard to match University Blue. Like if I got this, I would just wear it with a white top or maybe a black top and try to match a shoe or a hat or something with it. I'm gonna pass on those. I might grab this one. Should I get one for my kid too? He has a lot of shorts already. Of course I do as well, but $15 though, $15. I'm gonna think about it. I already bought other stuff, so I'm gonna think about it. Then they do have track pants right here. I see mediums, I see extra larges, so I see multiple sizes. $70. So is that $21? Something like that. Under $20 actually. They got other track pants right here. Remember, these are all 75% off, so I'm not even gonna go through every single price, but they got them on sale, man. 75% off right here. Sizing definitely gonna be an issue. Like these are smalls right here. That's a medium. Oh, okay. They got multiple sizes on these LeBron hoodies. These have been here for a while. Got medium, and medium is small for the cream color ones. Got these green ones right here. $70 for these. So these are under 20 bucks. All right, that one's way too colorful, but 80 for that one, minus 75. All kinds of Nike t-shirts all go for 75 off. They got the All City stuff right here. This is All City by Locker, I believe. Yeah, by Locker brand. And it is designed by Don C. But yeah, $75 for this windbreaker right here. And then they got these jackets. These are $150. I see a large, I see a medium. I see multiple sizes, got patches on them and stuff like that. And then got this all leather jacket. Also an All City brand, $150. So that goes down to what, $37.50 or something like that? And they got All City shorts right here. Like I said, sizing definitely an option, but definitely worth checking out for y'all. Do have a nice little sales table section all throughout the middle of the sales floor. Let's see if we see anything that I missed on the back wall. Most of the stuff is on the back wall, but see if I missed anything. Do got the Cheetos, the hot Cheetos scoots right here. We've been seeing a bunch of these. Do got the Cheetos, hot Cheetos branded scoots right here. Got a lot of comments on the boxes and stuff. I do freaking love the box. Not necessarily a huge fan of the shoe. It's a little bit too much orange for me, but yeah, $45.90. The box, man, the box really gets me. That's a scoot right there, pretty freaking dope. Yeah, I'm a fan of that box, dude. I just realized they have 2 full tables right here as well. Most of them MB, so looks like they got a ton of those. And some of these are cheaper, look. Some of these are cheaper, so that's $40. This one's also $40 right here. Okay, another pair of the scoots right here. Women's Hirachis go for $35 right here, all white. You can match with anything. Samoas right here. I remember Samoas would never go on sale. $30 for men's sizes. I see 11.5 and 12s. I see Chucks down to $25. Bright Chuck 70s going for $25 as well. Remember, sizing is going to be an issue, but some of the stuff, they got plenty of sizes. They're all size 9s and 8s. Do got some top 10s right here. And then more and more Chucks in the men's sizes, $20. $17.50 for these right here. Really don't get any cheaper. $17.50 for all blacks. You can match that with anything. Got the faux leather one right here. I think these are just the huge sizes. Guarantee you these are hella cheap. Probably $17.50 just like this one. And they do have the Filas, you guys. They got the Filas for $15. I know, nobody's excited about that. Oh, I could see who this is a collab with. Rocco's? No clue who that is. But they do got them here. And then $15 for these Club C's right here. You know, they're not the dopest shoes, but they're clean as hell. $15? You really can't go wrong with that. In the men's section right here, these Olympics, they are not included in the 50 off. These GT Hustles right here, they are the GT Hustle. Are these the original GT Hustles? I thought they were the 2s or something. No, I guess not. The GT Hustle right here. This is the one with the Airmore Tempo design on it. But yeah, these are what, 180, 50 off, and then this is 170, 50 off. Keep hoping I can find some Under Armour here. I guess I'm gonna have to check the Under Armour outlet. I'm gonna go to the Citadel. I guess I'll have to check that store. They do have a great selection of Crocs right here. Wait, is this my kid size? My kid size 9. This might work for my kiddo. $20? I might have to get these. Loves French fries, dude. He loves my French fries. And then dude got bigger size and one smaller size left. I think you can work the 9. I think that's a size 6 and a size 13. Crocs have been outrageously priced. I think MSRP on these were like 70 or something because of the licensing. F that, dude. F that. Ooh. And then those hats up top, those are down to $15 now, I believe. They were not priced like that. Those are all fitted hats. They do have some decent sizes. $15 for fitted hats. Dodgers, it says World Series 2020 right there. And then, oh, those say All-Star Game. Okay, those say All-Star on the side. And they do have the blue ones, if you guys need the blue ones, for $44. These are fitted as well. Black fitteds going for $15. San Francisco going for $15. These are fitted as well. They have sizes. And this is the only size left for this Dodgers one right here. Fitted, $42 normally, down to $10. They got old school USA basketball snapbacks, trucker hats, $35, so it's $17.50. They do have other hats. I don't really know what all these hats are for. This is not my first, ain't my first rodeo hats, Coney Island hats. They got other stuff too, 50% off, $5 Nike hats. Oh, they got another USA basketball right here as well, another snapback. Let's see the sales tag on that one, $10. Okay. Showed these a bunch of times. They still have a couple more Ant jerseys. I have not gifted those quite yet. But yeah, these are all 75 off, so $30, normally $120. I think that's about it, you guys. I think that's about it. Came up pretty big today. Sorry I couldn't show you guys East LA, kind of a pain in the ass. I guess I'm gonna grab these. For my kiddo. All right.